It's Friday,
Yay!
And you know what that means. It's time for TikTok Made Me Try It.
Yes.
This is one that we didn't see a specific video on TikTok once again. This is kind of one that we're sort of coming up with, but it could be a TikTok trend. Perhaps we're inventing one ourselves.
I see a ton of TikToks just like this, some home improvement, small projects, and we love things that you can do with little buying.
Yes.
And what you have a lot of at your house. Everything we have here is stuff Leah and I had at our houses already.
Yep, or on hand. I mean, if you're a crafty person, you've got endless random craft supplies that you don't know what to do with.
Definitely.
And this is kind of one of those crafts that, like, maybe you've got a bunch of those little Instax, those mini printout photos that you have.
Yes.
Maybe you have a bunch of things from your scrapbooking phase, or when you decorated your van, you've got all kinds of random crafts.
Yes.
So that's what we're kind of doing here. I take tons of photos and I print a bunch of them out, and then they all just sit on my coffee table, and I'm like, I should find something cute to do with them.
Definitely,
so
yes. I'm
that's
excited.
what we're kind of going to do today.
Yeah.
So we've got ourselves a Shadowbox. I feel like these are really fun to work with when it comes to sort of a little like diorama project for these Instax photos. And that way you can kind of display something but make it cute.
Perfect. Yes, I love this. This Shadowbox too I got for super cheap. I accidentally ordered two when I was going with my sister. So boom, and it has this kind of like cushiony in the back, so you can pin stuff to it.
Yeah. So let's kind of get to it. Sometimes you got to sort of map it out. I think these little scrapbook pieces are going to be like our little background.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. So I had these because I scrapbook sometimes, but not often enough that I use them all up, right? So
that's what
these,
happens.
I think these were like super cheap at honestly like Walmart or something.
Probably.
And it's literally just leftover scrapbook paper. So go pick some out.
Kind of like array a little design that you like. I think this is kind of cool, kind of funky.
Definitely. And you had cute little appliques, these little flowers.
Yeah.
I love these.
Appliques.
Is that what they're called?
I don't know.
I don't know either. They're cute though. Like a little daisy.
So let's just kind of pin stuff in place. We can leave the top two blank because I have an idea for that.
So where do you want me? I'm going to follow your vision.
Pin these squares in place first, and then we'll leave the top ones because I think what we're going to do, if you remember from our Halloween crafts, that's where this came from.
Yes.
From our ghosts. So again, using things you already have on hand, you want to kind of tear off a little piece that you can put at the top of your Shadowbox.
You can do like we have obviously, what is this called again? Streamer. We have streamer, but should I pin it now?
Yeah, go for it.
We have streamer, but we were thinking even like twine would be
Twine
so
would look really cute.
Yeah.
Just a pretty ribbon or string. There's a lot that you could do with these that you could kind of change this up and make it yours. Again, we're just working with what we have on hand here. So that's what we're doing.
Perfect.
We've got these little, I've got these little mini clothespins. That's what they're
clothespins. Yes, they're so cute. Look.
Lost my brain there for a minute.
They're so cute.
They're so cute, and they're perfect for crafts like this. So I'm sure you have endless Instax photos.
Yes.
We just took one here.
These are kind of like, if you didn't know, because I just got my mom one of these cameras.
Yes.
You take a photo and you can print it out right there, and it gets like a mini Polaroid. So like a Polaroid, or like you said, an Instax photo.
Yep. And so I even brought my camera. This one's kind of fun because it's a mix of like digital and print. So
I love that.
you can take a picture. If you don't like it, you can try.
Should we take a selfie?
So, yeah, let's do it.
Hopefully we
put in our
get it
Shadowbox.
right.
Let's see.
Okay.
I think I heard our click. Let's see.
We'll find out.
Hope. I think we died. That's okay. We'll just work with what we have.
Yeah, there we go. It came out.
Yeah,
yay! So look at this cute Polaroid we took.
Yes.
It's adorable. It's us. Yes, love it.
We'll just
with a
kind
little
of
CoastLife Shadowbox.
Yeah, with our mini clothespin, we'll kind of hang it up so that way it's sort of got a little 3D element.
Yeah.
And then I think we can kind of decorate it with flowers on either side.
Perfect. It's so cute.
In
So we're gonna hang these little guys up.
Yeah, hang these little guys up.
We'll show you the final product, everybody. No, my hands are getting in the way.
All right.
Oh, she's so cute.
Close her up.
Aww.
And
We
there
should
you
stick
go.
little like things that guests give us and stuff in there.
That'd be so cute.
Yeah, I love that.
Here, we can even, I'm just gonna put this over top of the pin a little bit. I don't think it'll do that.
There you go.
There you go.
Ta-da.
Cute, right?
Isn't that sweet?
Yeah.
This is a fun project to do with your family this weekend, or your grandkids, or if you, like Leah said, if you just have a bunch of stuff laying around and you wanted to put it together.
Yep, it's a good way to kind of condense it. This is one of the crafts that like I've been meaning to do in my own house for months now, and I haven't gotten around to it. So we thought we'd just bring it to CoastLife for you.
Yes,
Maybe get some inspiration going.
Yes, if you do end up doing this, maybe one of your pets, one of your significant other, whatever you have, send us a photo. We want to see how it turned out.
That's right. But we have some more CoastLife to get to that we'll see how that turns out when we get back.